The duration of a brand of battery is tested. 50 batteries are randomly selected and tested in the same way. The duration of each battery is then recorded. The results of the test are shown in the table below. So here we got the duration and here we got the frequency. So let's calculate an estimate for the mean of the brand of battery and draw a frequency polygon. So estimated mean is going to be, here's our table. The thing is that the data has been grouped into classes from 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and 35 to 40. And this is the frequency. So some of the original meaning of the data has been lost. Now, in order to solve this problem, you need to create some extra columns. So you need to take the midpoint, which is going to be 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, and 37.5. And then what you need to do, each one of those midpoints, in this case, occurs 3 times. This one occurs 5 times. So you need to multiply this column by this column. And this is called x times f. So it's 7.5 times 3, which is 22.5. 12.5 times 5, which is 62.5. 17.5 times 8, which is 140. 22.5 times 10, which is 225. 27.5 times 12, which is 330. 32.5 times 7, which is 227.5. And then 37.5 times 5, which is 185.5. Now the mean, which is a symbol for mean, is equal to the sum of xf. So you sum this column divided by the sum of the frequencies. So the total here is 50. That was actually given in the question. And here the total will be 1,195. So the mean will be 1,195 divided by 50. And that gives me an answer of 23.9 hours. Okay, the last part, you're asked to draw a frequency polygon. Okay, so the diagram looks like this. So what you do is you plot the midpoint against the frequency. So here's the table. So the midpoint here would be 7.5. So this is 7.5 against a height of 3. Again, this is going to be, this one's going to be 12.5 against a height of 5, etc. And then you plot all the points and you join them all up with a ruler like that. And this is called a frequency polygon. So this is to start the first class width, first midpoint, and this is the last midpoint, which is 37.5 in this case. So this has been a one last thing. This is continuous data because our time is on a continuous scale. So the x values are represented by the midpoints of each class. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find an estimate of a mean and draw a frequency polygon for grouped continuous data. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.